Want to glow like you just stepped out of a spa without leaving your home? In just a few simple steps, I will show you how to create a rejuvenating mini facial that will have you looking radiant for that special occasion. Hi, I'm Alla Shapiro and this is the Spa Runner channel. In this video, we will talk about at-home microneedling, microcurrent treatment to tighten and lift your skin, and treatments and masks that will make your skin soft, supple, to look your very best. Stick around to see how I achieve glowing and lifted skin that lasts all day and is a great canvas for your makeup application. Next week, we will talk about special occasion makeup. Please like this video as this helps my channel to grow here on YouTube. I recently made a video on Qure Microneedling system. You can watch that video here. I recommend a few days before your special occasion to do a full face microneedling treatment at home. Your skin will definitely look better with more hydration, glow, reduced wrinkles, and more plumpness. You don't have to do microneedling. You can go to a spa and have a facial. We will concentrate on what you can do at home the day of your special occasion. On the day of the event, we will start with washing our face with a hydrating cleanser such as high oil clay cleanser. So what you do, you are going to apply a few pumps to your dry skin. We are doing face, we are doing neck, and we are doing our décolleté area. Next step is Babor's Phyto High Oil Booster. This one is hydrating. You do a few pumps and you apply on top of the high oil. This will activate the oil. And then we are going to wash it off with water. Next step is really important. We want to do physical exfoliation. I hope you do either glycolic peel or retinol every other day or every day if you are an experienced user, so your face has a great texture. But the day off, you want to do physical exfoliation. I like clarifying exfoliating cleanser. It feels like a scrub. You can also do micro scrub from SkinCeuticals. They have a very nice scrub. Or if you really don't want to do physical exfoliation, some people don't like the feel of physical exfoliation of a scrub on your face, I highly recommend this Refined Retinol Smoothing Toner from Dr. Babor. It has retinol. It's not as strong retinol as what we use for the treatment, but it does exfoliate your skin. At this point, we will dry off the face and use a microcurrent device. I use Zip Halo. You can use NuFace. I have videos on how to use both. You can see them in this playlist up here. Using microcurrent will tighten your facial muscles and will reduce appearance of wrinkles and lines. By the way, both Qure Microneedling system and Zip Halo can be purchased online through the link I provide in the description and the first comment. You can purchase both at a discount through my links. If you do not own microcurrent device, do not despair. Let me show you a facial massage that you can do instead to lift and tighten your facial muscles. I use the beautiful Maya Chia, the Super Couple Ultra Luxe Face Oil to do the massage. This oil includes powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and deeply hydrate your skin for a beautiful glow. You can also use Babor Rejuvenating Oil. It smells beautiful. Next step is to put on the sheet mask for your face. You can do for your neck, you can do it for under eye, for your hands. Today I'm going to show you the Babor Hydro RX 3D Hydrogel Face Mask for the face. I'm going to show you To Go Spa hand mask, and I have this Nesco Nano Gold Repair. This is neck and hand mask. I have these come in face, in under eye. We just ran out, so I grabbed these two. So they are so easy to use. These particular masks, they have beautiful ingredients that will plump up your skin. And when you're ready to take your bath, it will dissolve and all those beautiful ingredients can be absorbed through your skin in your body. So don't throw away these masks. They are awesome. So I just opened the neck mask. I'm going to take my microphone so it doesn't get dirty. And now we wait 15 minutes. Oops, it's better if you lie down with this. After you apply all these masks, wait about 15 minutes, remove the masks. And now we're going to apply serums to your face. Okay, first serum is Detox from SkinCeuticals. This is a peptide-powered serum, will visibly improve your skin smoothness and reveal glass skin radiance. We already feel radiant after the masks, but the more the better when you are going for a special occasion. So let's apply this. My face feels amazing right now, I can't even tell you. Don't forget the décolleté area as well. I actually forgot vitamin C. So before that, we are going to apply vitamin C. I made a video on which vitamin C you should use based on your skin concern, and you can watch this video here. Fluoretin CF is a great vitamin C. For most skin types, it's great for people who have hyperpigmentation because it addresses hyperpigmentation, but not only that, it prevents any aging and it brightens your skin. So we would apply it before Detox. I forgot that step. So you would just put a couple of drops and you would apply on your face and your neck. Next serum is HA Intensifier from SkinCeuticals. It's a purple serum. It makes your skin create your own hyaluronic acid. It plumps up the skin. You can use it under the eye. And I'm sorry, I forgot to take it, but it's a beautiful serum. I would apply it for sure before makeup for special occasion. Next thing is your eye cream. I used Elastine Restorative Eye Treatment. And you just apply to your eye area all around, including the eyebrow. Don't forget your lips. I have Laneige. This is a lip sleeping mask, but we will apply it before special occasion. And before my makeup, I like to put a very rich hydrating cream. I really like Dr. Babor Collagen Rich Cream. It has very thick consistency and it hydrates, it plumps your skin. The very last step would be your SPF. If your makeup doesn't have SPF built in it, I like SPF from SkinCeuticals. They have different kinds of SPFs. And here's the end result. Look at my hydrated skin. I would wait about 10-15 minutes before applying makeup so all these ingredients get absorbed into your skin. If you don't want to wear too much makeup, you can just do concealer, your eyes, your lips, your blush. With this treatment to your face, you will be good to go. If you want more makeup, you can wear more makeup. When your face is so hydrated, the makeup will look better than if you apply it on a not treated skin. And now you are ready for the special occasion makeup application, which will come out in about a week. I will show you easy way to do your makeup. If you're curious to know how I like my special occasion makeup, I like a lot of sparkles.